First thing that I do is put my hair up. So I'm just gonna clip it up and then put one of these little headbands. I always double cleanse my face, so the first cleanser I'm going to use is an oil-based cleanser. This one is DHC cleanser. This is their cleansing oil, and basically you just pour like 1 or 2 pumps onto your hand, mix it together, and this is a makeup remover as well as just like, I guess, like dirt on your skin it removes, but it's really, really good for makeup removing. So I have a little bit of blush, concealer, and mascara on my face. So I'm just going to rub this in everywhere. You could definitely rub it around your eyes. And it basically just dissolves the product. I'm starting to look like a raccoon. You basically run this underwater and it turns into like a milk consistency and all your makeup is off. Now that the makeup is removed, I'm going to go in with the second cleanser. This one is from Murad. It's their AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. This is just to really get everything off of our skin, make sure it's extra clean, and any leftover makeup that the cleanser didn't get. I've also been switching between the Murad cleanser and Panoxyl. I got this about 3 weeks ago, I would say. It's only, I think, $9.99, and this has really, really cleared my skin. But I don't use it every night. I kind of use it on and off because it's so harsh on your skin. It has hydrogen peroxide in it. It's supposed to really dry out your skin, but it's helped my acne so much. This is not an every night thing, but I would say about like 3 times a week I try at least to do a face mask. Either one that's purifying or one that's hydrating. I'm going to be using Summer Friday's Jet Lag mask tonight. And I'm just going to apply an even layer of this all over my face. This will just bring back a lot of the moisture from the cleanser and make your skin really soft and hydrated for the next products that you go in with. I am also going to go in with a pair of hydrating eye patches. It really doesn't matter what brand you use. These are from Amazon. They're the 24 karat gold under eye patches. And these will just hydrate our eyes and keep them nice and moisturized while we are letting the mask sit. I put that like in my eye. Okay, so I'm just going to let this sit for like 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off, and then I will be back to show you the next steps. Okay, so now that all that is rinsed off, I am going to go in with the Dr. Dennis Gross Universal Peel Pads. Out of everything in the routine, I would have to say this and then one of the serums I'm going to show you a little bit later is what changed my skin the most and what helped me with bumps, texture, irritation, redness. I've been using these consistently, I would say, since the summer. It comes in like a 30-day supply, so you use one every single day. I love how easy it is. It's just a 2-step system. They're both these little towelettes. You rub the first towel on your face, you wait 2 minutes, and then you rub the second towel on your face. So I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Okay, here's the second little towel. And I just do the same thing, rub this with the serum on my face. I'm just going to let this dry for a little bit and then move on to the next step. So the next thing looks a little funny. It is a micro needling tool, and you just rub it on your face like this. No more than 3 times in the same area, so you want to keep it moving. And I'm pretty sure that this creates little like tears in your skin, which help the product sink in better and create more collagen and cell growth. I feel like this definitely used to hurt in the beginning, especially on my forehead. Even now it's a little sensitive because I haven't done this in a while. I need to get back on my micro needling kick. But I really do see a difference with the product settling in my skin when I use this. Some people might think this is a little harsh for your skin after the universal peel, but I will go in with, this is a travel size of the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant on a little cotton round, and just swipe this over my face as well. This stuff is so great. I would also, I guess, recommend this too, definitely. So 3 things I would recommend: the universal peels, this exfoliant, and then I will show you the 3rd thing in a little bit. This definitely minimizes your pores and just makes your skin look like glass. So you definitely want to let this sit and dry a little bit on your face before going into each step. So in between this, I'll wait like 30 seconds just for it to dry down and then continue on. If this is the wrong order, then I don't really know. This is just, again, what I do, so take it with a grain of salt. Change it to how you want to use it, add your stuff, take away some stuff, whatever you want to do. It's really up to you and what your skin can handle. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is the Tatcha, the Essence, and this is fairly new for me. I've been using this for like 2 weeks. And I think an essence is really just supposed to like soften your skin and make it like elastic. I feel like this also really helps with the texture of my skin, especially on my cheeks. So I just use a patting motion and dab that into my skin. Now for serums, I use 3 serums at night. The first one that I'm going to go in with is the Fresh Tea Elixir. This is the serum that I've been talking about, the 3rd recommendation. This is seriously one of the best products I've ever used. I'm at the end and I'm going to literally cry. This also smells so amazing. I genuinely can't say enough good things about this product except that it's pricey, but it has lasted me since I think the spring. So before summer, I've used it basically every single night, and this has kept my skin so hydrated, yet helped with acne as well, and little texture bumps, like sometimes I'll get texture around here as well, and this has really helped clear it up. The next serum that I will go in with is the Aloe Power Elixir Serum. I love this whole line of products. They gifted it to me in the summer, so thank you so much again. This has become a part of my routine very, very quickly. They also have a hydrating cream and a cleanser, but I would say that my 2 favorite are the serum and the cream. This just really soothes your skin if it's irritated or red, and really locks in any moisture from the other products that we already put on. And the final serum that I will use is the Retinol Youth Serum by Murad. This might seem like a lot for some people and nothing for other people. This is just the combination that really keeps my skin hydrated at night. I found that in the morning my routine is definitely so much less just because I'm wearing makeup or I don't need as much hydration. That night I really like to layer the products to get the benefit from everything. For eye cream, I will use the Anti-Aging Moisturizer by Lily Ann Naturals. You can find this on Amazon. That is where I got this one. And this is one of the only eye creams that I have found that doesn't irritate my eyes or give me high or little red splotches underneath my eyes. This just makes them really hydrated and glowy. And the final step in my routine, I will use this only at night. It's a gradual face tanner. This one is from Bali Body. I really like the Saint Tropez one as well. And since I was away, I want my face to stay tan and match my body, which always gets more tan than my face. So this goes on clear and then will develop overnight. And I always make sure that I wipe my hands too after putting that on because I don't want it to stain my hands. For acne, the best acne treatment that I have found, I think it's better than Differin Gel, is the acne treatment from the Enki list. But I think it's better than Mario Badescu, better than Differin, better than so many of the other acne treatments that I've tried. So I will just put this on, let it sit anywhere that I usually break out or have a pimple, and just let that sit overnight. For lips, I will either use the Laneige Sleeping Mask or I will use the Summer Fridays Butter Lip Balm. If I have my Aquaphor next to me, I will use that as well. It all kind of works the same, it's just as good. And then I will finish it off with my Grande Cosmetics products. This one is Grande Brow. It just helps your brows grow. I try to apply these every single night because the more consistent you are with it, the better. Then I will apply the lash serum. And then I'm done. That is the finished skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely tell me your favorite products that you use down below. And if you have any recommendations too, I would love to hear them. Again, everything that I used will be linked in the description box below. My Amazon and my socials. So definitely be sure to follow me and subscribe for more videos. Other than that, I think that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.